Alright people, long time no see. How are we? I have a purple reaper to eat. These were grown by TJ Burns. He sent me up quite a few of his latest harvest. There's all sorts. A few that I haven't tried. The Bombay Morich, the Chocolate Naga Brain. I'm looking forward to trying those two. The Bombay Morich TJ says is his favourite pod this year, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, these are the Purple Reaper. He sent me some last time, but they went straight in the freezer. I intend on making some jams or something. I intend on. Anyway, the bottom of this guy, you can just see it's still a little bit purple. Now they turn red once they ripe, the purple whilst they're ripening. So I believe. And they're pretty hot. 1.3 to 2.2. If you saw on Chili Vikings page, he ate one of these and he said it was hot, very hot. So let's have a look inside. Whoa, some oil on that knife. Wow, that smells strong. Reasonable sized placenta in there. Bad lighting. You see that? There we go. I'm expecting some hiccups, probably straight off the bat. So, without further ado, take the stalk off. Put that there. Right. Thank you very much. It's hot. Excuse me. Wow. That is a fierce burn. Hiccups. Pardon me. There we go. Yeah, that's quite intense. The they're a bizarre set of hiccups. Yeah, sort of burn. That burn is everywhere, particularly roof of the mouth, tongue. That tingles a bit as well. It's not too bad. It's the hiccups are making it appear worse than it is. Having said that, it's lighting up my throat now. Still climbing. It's the first chili I've ate for a week. So the burn is moving from the mouth into my throat now. Ooh. Gosh, hiccups. So, yeah, like I said, first chili I've ate for about a week. It's not got the time. However, I have a day of work today. Mouth's alright now. Just the throat's on fire. I can handle that. So the next video, I'll be trying one of the other varieties from TJ. I don't know what it'll be. Not looking forward to it. Nice wave of endorphins. I'm going to do some reviews as well this weekend. Got some sauces I want to review. And some products from Carrington Foods, which they nicely sent up to me. Hopefully that'll be this weekend. It's quite intense in the throat, that. Good burn. Anyway, that'll do for that video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one, guys.